What is up, guys? Clay with EKNIVES.com. I just got a few of these in, not nearly as many as I wanted, but I got some nonetheless, and they are super hard to get right now. This is the Malibu flipper introduced by Protech, known for their autos, but this is a manual action flipper button lock reverse Tanto. It is sweet. I mean, I love this thing. Great size, 3.25 inch blade. Great action, super lightweight. It's just a killer little folder from Protech, known for their autos, but this is a manual, so I love everything about this thing. EKNIVES.com, we have a handful of these going live right now. Hope to have some more soon. If you have any questions, 423-525-9477. Thanks so much.